This service center is one of the Howden biggest infrastructure projects in Central and Eastern Europe. In our new facility, we also have new high-speed balancing equipment, which will support our customer together with our technological expertise, the perfect quality products.
Howden handles the most critical step of the repair cycle through high-speed balancing.
We have over 60 years of experience and have brought up 3 generations of technical experts.
This is our high-speed balancing machine. It's important because it's the last step of the repair cycle. From that point, you are certain your machine can operate safely in your premises. Getting all information before starting high-speed balancing process can be challenging, but our experts have the right knowledge and equipment.
Our experience and knowledge is crucial to perform high-speed balancing quickly and correctly.
Customers come from all over the world to our facility in Czech Republic for high-speed balancing. Howden performs high-speed and low-speed balancing according to ISO and API standards, as well as specific norms required by our international customers.
We are capable of balancing the rotors in tilting pep bearings, and we use proximity probes to monitor and reach relative shaft vibration criteria. We can set the emergency trip speed device for steam turbines during the balancing process.
You will find not only perfect product, high quality, but also great team and good people.
We have quick response to customer timescales, innovative solutions, and great experience passed from generation to generation.
Customers should choose Howden for high-speed balancing because of our knowledge, experience and flexibility.
We are proud to provide the best high-speed balancing processes possible.